Oh fuck.
Who
Hey,
has
yo, it's the
walkie?
Beehive!
I'll watch you.
Guys, let's do the Beehive!
We have to do it at the end.
Alright, I'm down.
It'll fuck us up.
No, wait,
I'm down,
wait,
let's do it.
wait!
Hold on, wait till the end.
Oh shit, I almost ran into it.
This is not a good idea. Oh
They
shit.
didn't chase you long. Okay, let's do that but better. Let's do that but better.
Oh, there's multiple.
You got me right there.
Oh shit! Oh my god, you guys are fucked. Somebody
I'm
died!
getting fucking beat right now.
Somebody
Dumbass.
died!
Somebody died.
Oh
no.
shit! This is such a bad idea. Oh my god, reason! Help me! No, please! Please! Guys, I can't get in!
Well,
How
do we get rid of them?
Let me in! I had a body! This is not good. We should have waited to do this till the end. Okay, I have an idea,
Why would you do that?
Hold on, it's okay. Cause now they're on the side of the
It's
ship.
your major
I got a
malfunction.
question.
No, it's okay,
Bring
cause
the hive
now it's on
into
the side of the ship, so now it won't bother us when we go inside.
Was bringing the hive inside the ship?
It was the worst idea ever.
That's lucky.
Okay, so it's on the side,
Because we
and it.
entice them from the
Hey.
door.
Oh shh!
There's another one over here.
Let's do it. Get it?
Oh no, 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 oh no.
Why would you put it here? Why would you put it here?
No!
That's a bad idea.
Oh no!
Oh! This was a terrible idea. Well,
It's so stupid, but I can't stop.
It's so much fun. Uh-oh.
hello? No! Don't bring it in here! You fucker! You killed us!